Alright, so we're doing something a little different today. We're gonna do a tool review. I don't know if it's gonna be every Tuesday or every other Tuesday or whatever, but we ended up buying this deluxe air suction blowgun. I've been using it for about a month or so, and I really like it. We'll go through the unboxing and everything that comes in it and everything like that, just to kind of get you through the drop your dopamine view of what's happening with it. So I worked out a little bit of a deal with our Matco driver, and Casey's the best. If you're in the Niagara region and you don't deal with Casey, well, you should be ashamed of yourself. But so we're doing something a little different. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So this is the Matco MTV5 suction slash blowgun. It's pretty big sized. All these pieces are all interchangeable. So they give you a nice little rubber hose to hook onto the backside with a bag. I played with it a little bit this morning, just blowing and doing a little sucking. It doesn't come with a fitting, so you gotta buy a fitting. A little hose, a little brushy style for the vacuum. So I think it was 100 and I don't know how much money it was, 150 bucks maybe in Canadian pesos. I'll show you guys how to flip this around. So basically what it is there's some holes in there, and you flip, there's an insert inside here that you flip around to suck or to flip around to blow. So right now it's on, oh, right now it's on suck anyways. So because you can see the holes, so what it's going to do is going to create a vacuum to fucking basically you pull this out, flip it around so that the holes are facing inwards. Put your O-rings back in, screw your back cap back on. She blows. Well, I'll tell you what, that doesn't fucking work too good. It's got some distance on it, but it doesn't fucking stay. Well, maybe it fits in here. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Oh yeah. So you gotta use the attachment. Pro tip, use the attachment as you fucking launch this shit across the shop. Alright, this is the little bag it came with. It comes with a little like sliding lock to go across the bottom of it, the opening. I'm not too sure I like the opening on this. It's like really soft. It'd be a really nice sweater. They advertise it for sucking up shavings and stuff, and you're gonna get a lot of stuff stuck in there. Suck some stuff up, see how it sucks. Just with testing it with the hose quickly and nothing on the bag, it blows some good stuff. So it's quite a big opening. It's probably like 1.5 inch opening. Hook the bag up and give it a shot. Let's get it sucking. Woo. Hey, come on. Yeah, just like I suspected, sticks. Everything sticks in there. Overall, it's a nice kit. I like it. I just wish they had like a blow molded case that it would stay in. Like I get that they got a blow molded plastic bit, but I gotta find a spot in the toolbox for all this crap now. But it's good. I like it. It's got tons of power. I don't know. I should stick a gauge on there to see how much power it puts out, but it's a lot. It blows. It blows, that's for sure. The Matco air blow suction cup, gun, fucking whatever. Man, I really like it. It's been about a month, 2 months since I've had it. We use it for blowing off the tables. Today I used it for sucking off some dirt. It works really good. As long as you remember as the what's going in, what's going out factor of it with the back venturi plug. So basically you plug it in and you suck it or blow it. Like you'll find out real quick. It's got tons of power. The bag is a little small for, like today I sucked up a bunch of dirt out of a Vermeer 1200 BC chipper. If you're using it for a vacuum, it's got a small bag on it. Obviously it's got a small bag on it. It's not super huge. It did the job exactly what I wanted it to do. Didn't get sucked up and like clog up the bag. It works really good. I really like it. I mean, all the Matco stuff, they've stood the test of time of me using them. I've only used this specifically for a couple months, and I've pretty well used all the attachments now and gotten it figured out. It's really good for like 150 bucks or whatever it is. If you want to stay tuned for more Tool Tuesdays or whatever the heck we're calling this, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, check in to see what's going on every Monday, Tuesday, what's going on. Check us out. If you want, follow us on Instagram at Chrome to Envy. I'll post up some of the new tools and some of the new stuff that we got going on, and I'll let you guys know if it sucks or if it's good. Personally, for a high-priced blowgun, it's really nice. Having that suction quality really helps. Just like cleaning out some dirt shitty spot. I do with a lot of chippers and wood equipment, and to get wood and dirt in the weirdest places, and just to be able to suck that stuff out of there without blowing it all over the shop and having to sweep it up, it's really nice. So until next time, I will see you later.